So for the first time since I moved here, I got a working toilet. So that's for the window in the black one.
Yeah.
And you have the sash.
Yeah.
So now there's nothing in the hallway anymore. Although I doubt anybody will take your ladder. But Victor, do you have a light bulb?
Light bulb.
For this one? Not working since I moved in.
Okay. I checked the Workman light bulb.
It's a weird little piece.
Oh, the skinny.
Yeah.
Oh,
Upstairs.
I checked.
Upstairs.
Okay.
I love the way you look at me like, how do you know? How do you know it's upstairs? Because I used to go on the roof to look. Have you ever been on the roof to look at the trees and stuff?
Yeah.
Like, you go on the roof, then you look at them over there. Trees and sky. And then one day I said, hey, who is on this floor? But then when I saw the door just had a ladder, and I said, oh, that's storage. But I've never been in there, and I've never actually been in front of the door. I just saw it from the stairway when I was walking.
Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna put the ladder inside the bathtub?
Maybe no, maybe I
Stand on there?
stand over here because I need to cut on the little bit this one, and take out this one.
Are you ready to do all that today?
Yeah.
Okay, because look, see? Don't start it and not stop and finish because it's to the outside. Look at it there.
Yeah, I try push more up or clean up the paint and maybe
Push it up
push up.
because it's painted shut. So that one does not close.
Yeah.
And this one does not stay open. But if you can't do it all, do it on a different day.
Now I changed the
sash.
And put it back the one piece. I need to take out one piece, this small one, and for take it out the window. And
do you have more to put back?
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do not leave that window open.
No. Sorry.